The 2027 Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter marks an exciting new chapter for Toyota's full-size SUV lineup. Designed for families who crave adventure beyond paved roads, this new Trailhunter package transforms the already capable Sequoia into a serious factory-built overlanding machine. Unlike many off-road packages that focus mostly on appearance, the Trailhunter brings meaningful mechanical upgrades that improve real-world performance while maintaining the comfort, reliability, and practicality that have made the Sequoia one of Toyota's most respected SUVs. With refreshed styling, advanced technology, improved safety features, and trail-ready equipment straight from the factory, the 2027 Sequoia Trailhunter may be the most versatile three-row SUV Toyota has ever produced. At first glance, the 2027 Sequoia receives a subtle but noticeable redesign. Toyota has updated the front fascia with a more upright and aggressive appearance, giving the SUV a stronger road presence than before. The larger grille is paired with redesigned rectangular LED fog lamps, creating a cleaner and more modern look. Higher trim levels also receive brighter grille-mounted LED lighting, while optional rigid off-road fog lights further improve nighttime visibility. Exclusive to the Trailhunter package are bronze-finished 18-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin LTX trail tires. These wheels instantly distinguish the model from the rest of the Sequoia lineup and emphasize its rugged personality. Additional front recovery hooks, reinforced underbody skid protection, and unique Trailhunter badging reinforce the vehicle's purpose-built nature. Every detail is designed for drivers who regularly venture off pavement rather than simply wanting an adventurous appearance. Despite these upgrades, the Sequoia still retains its refined proportions and premium styling, allowing it to look equally comfortable in urban environments or deep into the wilderness. Inside, Toyota has significantly modernized the cabin without sacrificing durability. Every 2027 Sequoia now comes standard with a large 14-inch multimedia touchscreen, replacing the smaller display offered previously. The new infotainment system features faster processing, improved graphics, enhanced voice recognition, and integrated 5G connectivity. One of the most interesting additions is the built-in driver recorder camera, capable of automatically recording driving events as well as manually capturing up to 20-second video clips. Toyota has also upgraded the overall user experience with improved connectivity, wireless smartphone integration, and easier access to navigation and vehicle settings. The three-row seating configuration continues to provide room for large families, while premium materials and thoughtful storage solutions make long-distance travel much more comfortable. Although the third row remains slightly tighter than some full-size competitors, the overall cabin still delivers an excellent balance between luxury and practicality. Under the hood, Toyota continues to use its proven twin-turbocharged V6 platform. While Toyota has not yet officially confirmed the final powertrain specifications for the Trailhunter package, the SR5 trim on which it is based currently produces approximately 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque from its 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6. This engine delivers strong acceleration despite the Sequoia's large size and provides excellent towing capability for campers, trailers, and outdoor equipment. Where the Trailhunter truly separates itself is its off-road hardware. Together, these systems allow the Sequoia to confidently tackle rocky trails, mud, sand, snow, and steep terrain while maintaining the smooth highway comfort expected from a premium SUV. Rather than requiring expensive aftermarket modifications, buyers receive a professionally engineered overlanding package directly from Toyota, backed by factory reliability and warranty coverage. Toyota has not officially announced pricing for the 2027 Sequoia Trailhunter yet. The company says full pricing details will be revealed closer to launch. Based on current Sequoia pricing and industry estimates, experts expect 2027 Toyota Sequoia starting around $64,000, 2027 Sequoia Trailhunter estimated between $68,000 and $72,000, depending on options and destination charges. These figures remain estimates until Toyota releases official MSRP information. Toyota has confirmed that additional specifications, pricing, and production details will be announced this fall, with customer deliveries expected to begin shortly afterward. Most industry analysts expect the 2027 Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter to arrive at dealerships in fall 2026, likely between September and November 2026, depending on market availability. The 2027 Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter isn't simply another trim level. It's Toyota's answer to the growing demand for factory-built overlanding vehicles. It combines proven reliability, powerful performance, advanced technology, and authentic off-road capability into one impressive full-size SUV. While pricing remains unconfirmed, the Trailhunter appears positioned to compete directly with rugged full-size SUVs while offering Toyota's legendary durability and resale value. For buyers seeking a vehicle that can comfortably transport the entire family during the week and confidently explore remote destinations on the weekend, the 2027 Toyota Sequoia Trailhunter could become one of the most compelling adventure SUVs on the market. If Toyota delivers everything promised, this may be the ultimate factory-built three-row overlanding SUV of 2027.